All right, we turn now to the weather. Kind of feeling like spring, but these summer like rain showers, I don't know how I feel about them.
Matt, make it stop. Normally Laura says that and you do it. Now, it doesn't work for me, but if she says it, maybe it'll work.
She didn't really ask. She just kind of gave her opinion.
Yeah, you're right.
So, I mean,
and I looked to Russ.
You get one shot on this, Laura K. So, well, we made it stop now, so you'll enjoy it outside. But tomorrow at this time, it might be a little different story. I mentioned earlier this week that it's a very fast-moving weather pattern right now. We're kind of stuck in this system every day kind of deal. And we've got our next system already on the heels of this tomorrow. You're going to wake up. We're going to have some fog around. It'll probably develop between 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning and be thickest during that morning commute. Not for everybody, but it will be pretty widespread. We've got noticeably cooler temperatures tomorrow morning. By the evening, notice those clouds increase. Rain returning. Temps will make it into the 70s tomorrow. So another nice spring day on Laura Queso standards. Notice temperatures right now. We've got a lot of 50s out there. Still hanging on to some mid-60s down to the south. Keep an eye on those numbers, though, 50s and 60s, right? We've got light wind, if not calm, across much of the area. When the temperature and the dew point equal each other, that means you have air that's 100% saturated, aka fog. So dew points right now are in the 50s and 60s. So as that temperature continues to slide down, the dew point will likely remain constant. There's where your fog develops. We just have to have temperatures cool a little bit more outside. So future visibility, this is our future cast in terms of how far you can see. Watch how it develops this fog under a half-a-mile visibility, stretching really up and down the I-77 corridor, getting back down into the Mansfield area as well, including downtown. That's tomorrow morning, 6, 7 o'clock. It will burn off very quickly tomorrow as well. So there's that, but we're going to have to give it a little bit of time. The rain has cleared. Northeast Ohio had some decent rain, especially down towards the south. This is how much rain fell today. You notice the color code up here, 1 to 2 inches, areas in yellow. Tuscarawas, Carroll counties picking up the bulk of that, but really good rainfall across all of northern Ohio. We were going a little bit dry, so I know everyone's pretty happy about that. That's long gone with the frontal boundary, but out towards the west, this is what we're watching tomorrow. I know you'd say, well, Matt, a lot of it's heading south and east. It looks like it's going to miss us. Well, what's going to happen is this will head south and east, but we'll see another little area of storms develop and likely blow up during the morning tomorrow near Chicago over towards Indiana. And that's what we'll watch come in here. Not expecting severe weather, but we could get some decent downpours, especially the further south you are, as you'll see here in a second. Guardians Rangers, boy, we cannot buy a dry set of games. It looks like rain will be moving in for the game tomorrow night. We'll be in the 70s, so we'll be back and forth with them, I'm sure, on that. National Design Mart Hour by our forecast. Here's your fog. Watch how it burns up. Nice and sunny. Beautiful midday if you have lunch plans outside. We're looking okay, but by afternoon into the evening, those high clouds will increase. We'll go cloudy by late evening. Here comes our rain. Look how we could have some heavier downpours down to the south. This is going to be a very kind of a potent but very efficient rainfall producing system. It'll zip by. Looks like it's out of here by 10, 11 o'clock. Some leftover showers, and then Thursday we'll do the opposite. We'll start to clear things out as we go throughout the day. You notice as we go into the extended, no big humidity around here, staying pretty comfortable. Problem is we're going to have some doses of rain into the weekend. We're also going to talk heat next week. Going to turn very summer-like. We're talking record heat under that ridge Friday, Saturday out west. That western ridge will head east as we go throughout the weekend. And next week, it looks like it's established itself right over the eastern U.S. That spells warm. And yeah, the humidity will come back as well. So if you've been missing the summer-like feel, well, we'll get there next week. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. You can see how we have rainfall chances scattered around. The weekend right now, scattered showers around here Saturday, Sunday. But next week, boy, isolated thunderstorms every day, kind of like Florida. And we're into the 80s and way into the 80s.